about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out.
So we've been here for about, would you say, an hour?
Yep.
And I've literally made my first purchase, which is just some Calvin Klein underwear. This is how choosy we're being. I feel like you are literally the world's worst shopper.
Yeah, no, I am, yeah, but...
He picks something out and then he's like, I like it, no I don't, I like it, no I don't, and then he just never gets it anyway, so there's no point.
I'm indecisive. That's Where are we going?
Do you want to go in Dior and Balenciaga, White Company? Yeah, next on our list.
Now looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow.
So I've just got my second purchase, which was from the White Company. I literally love it in there. I could get all the candles. My favourite one's Seychelles, but this time I went for the peony one. So yeah, just stocked up on that. I love all the pyjamas and stuff in there as well. So we're just going to make our way around the second bit of this Bicester now.
Go Gucci. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
Yeah, I would love to get a Gucci bag, but I doubt they're going to have the one I want.
No,
yeah, we'll see.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah, so I'm thinking to go with these trainers. I absolutely love them. And they actually go with this outfit. I'm loving it. Jack's also got the same pair on. Snap!
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking.
So, excuse the state of me on a bump. We've just literally finished up shopping. I feel like dishevelled now, but we've literally had quite a successful day, haven't we?
Yeah, definitely had a successful day.
As soon as we hit Gucci, that was when it got successful, even though it got a bit expensive, but it was fine. So I will show you what I got from there, and I literally couldn't resist. I thought I'd put the trainers on already. They're so comfy, I absolutely love them. But we are so ready now to just get home and hit the hay and chill out. But yeah, it's been a really good day. If you guys were looking at going to Bicester Village, I'd definitely recommend it. They've got so many good little outlet shops. We even just went in like MCM, didn't we then?
Yeah.
And there was a backpack that Jack's been thinking about getting. It was, how much, like 400?
405 quid, yeah.
Yeah, but it was so nice, but it was hard to get it. Are you having regret now?
No, not at all.
I would be.
Not at all. £400 in a bag is big.
I'm like, get it, get it, get it. He's like, I'm like the little devil that's like, get it, spend money. Whereas he's like the good head. And he's like, no, I need to save. So, apart from that, even though it was, you got your Gucci trainers, got matching Gucci trainers.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was a successful day. Okay, so after all that, you're probably wondering, like, what did I actually get? Apart from the trainers, obviously the trainers are amazing. I had to put them on straight away when I purchased them because they just really matched with the suit. So yeah, I will show you them. But before I show you them, I thought I'd just show you the other little pieces I got. So, whenever you go Bicester Village or like any Zara outlet, you just got to go Calvin Klein because you just got to get the little underwear sets. So, I got... Oh, it's inside out. So yeah, I just got the white little thong, with the Calvin Klein logo on, and also the bralette. Like, I literally hate wearing bras. Like, I hardly ever wear a bra. That's probably embarrassing to say on my YouTube channel, but I do wear bras, but they're like t-shirt bras like this. I just find them a lot comfier. Like, I don't have massive boobs, so I'm just all about comfort, and this is going to literally be perfect. I wear it all the time. And then the second purchase, there's like a little shop there. Well, it's not little, it's called the Cosmetic Store Company, and they basically do like loads of different brands in there, like Bobbi Brown, Estee Lauder, MAC, Clinique, and they just do loads of really good like makeup that's just, I don't even know if it's like last season or whatever, but some of it's still in stock. So I just picked up some little bits from there. So I've wanted this for ages. My sister used to have it and I kept stealing it because it's so good. I can't get it out of the bag. So it's the Clinique little cream, and it's the All About Eyes. Basically, you just put it under your eyes and it depuffs them, and what I do is I put it in the fridge, so when you put it on, it's just really cooling. Sometimes I think, do these skincare products actually work? But honestly, this Clinique one really does. It just really depuffs my eyes. I do suffer with bags sometimes, so that's perfect. And it's so tiny as well, I thought it's perfect to take away. And then I also got this lip pencil. Well, kind of a lip pencil, you can put it all over. I'm wearing it now, but I don't know if it's like faded a bit, but it kind of worked with this outfit, so I thought, why not? So it's this kind of like coral colour. I'll come closer. So yeah, it's this kind of coral colour, and it's called, oh, all the bags are falling, and it's called Frolic. So yeah, I just thought this is really nice going into like spring and summer. And then I absolutely love candles. Like, I seriously have a candle obsession. I think I have too many in my room, but who can't have another one? So I hit the White Company. I absolutely love the White Company. I always get my little nephew like the cutest pyjamas from there. So yeah, I just thought I'd go in and pick up a candle, and I got the Peony one. It smells a dream. So nice. So I thought that would look cute on my desk. And I think this one is normally, doesn't actually say the normal price, but there was the bigger one as well, and the bigger one's like £40, and they're selling it there for like 24, so it's basically half price, which is so good. Okay, so they were the little bits picked up, and then I hit Gucci, and I kind of went a bit wild. Well, not wild, I just got in there and I just saw like a lot more things in there that I wanted. I did hit Prada first, and I saw a lovely bag. If you do follow me over on my Instagram, I did post it on my stories, and I was really and ahhing. It was like a little nude one, but instead I went for Gucci, because when I got in there, I first saw these trainers. I'll show you. So obviously it comes in this lovely box. So I have already posted a picture of these over on my Instagram, and as soon as I brought them, I did wear them because it just matched with my outfit perfectly. I was just too excited about them. So these white trainers with the Gucci sign here, and also at the back, don't know if you can see properly, but honestly, I love these. Like, these are amazing. They're like an off-white kind of creamy colour, and then this bit's white, but I just think these all match with everything. And I always wear my little white pumps a lot, so I thought these are a better upgrade, really worth investing in. So yeah, these absolutely amazing. With the Gucci trainers, the lady in the shop was saying as well that Gucci comes really big, so I did go down a size. I'm normally a size 5, and these are a 4. So these were, let me tell you, I think these were 50% off. So I've got these for, if I remember, £205, yeah. So I got these for £205, and let's see what they were originally. I don't think it says. Okay, so this next item I'm really excited to share with you. Again, it's from Gucci. If you read my blog post, you will know that it is a bag, and if you just read the blog post as well, you've just seen that I did speak about on my New Year's resolution post that one of the things I wanted to do this year was treat myself to a bag. And that's not in a materialistic way, that's just literally, I just wanted to be in a position where I've worked hard, that I can treat myself. And in my head for ages, I've always wanted the Gucci Marmont, but I knew they wouldn't have it at Bicester, because obviously Bicester sort of does like last season, and that's what's in at the minute. But I'm really happy with this one. We were about to walk out the store and I spotted it, and I was just like, that is me all over, so I had to get it. So it comes in this little bag, which is kind of like a hint that it's not a massive one. So I did actually post this as well on my Instagram story, so if you followed me, you sort of got a bit of a sneak peek. So it comes in this little box, and this is it. Ta-da! I absolutely love it. I think it's so nice. And so basically it's kind of like a clutch bag, but you can also wear it with the chain as well, which I absolutely love, because sometimes when you're going for like dinner and things, I don't want to take out a massive bag with me. So here we go. I feel like I need to come in close for this. So yeah, it's like this nudie pink colour. It's kind of the same as the Gucci Marmont colour that I wanted. And then it's got the gold thick chain and then the clasp with the logo. It's honestly so me. Like, I thought this literally has my name written all over it. I absolutely love the colour. Like, a lot of my wardrobe for like spring and summer is sort of nudes, whites. I thought it would match perfectly. And then inside, I will show you. It's kind of like the card holders. Not card holder, it's got the card, well yeah, where you hold your cards is already inside, so it's got a bit of room in here for like your phone, lipstick or anything like that, just like little bits that you want to take out with you. And then it's got the zip here, which you can just put your change in. But honestly, I absolutely love it, and I think it will look so nice in LA with like a little white dress. I've got some espadrille wedges as well, same similar colour, so I'm just really excited to style this with everything. And I'm honestly really happy that I've managed to sort of treat myself to a designer handbag. So this, I will spill the beans, was, if I can remember, it was £280. Let me just double check for you. Yes, it was £280. It doesn't actually say the original price on here, and when we asked the lady, she wasn't exactly sure, but this bag had basically come in just that day. So this was on Saturday, sorry. Yeah, this bag had just come in on Saturday. And obviously I was the first one to get it, so I was really excited about that. But I absolutely love it. Obviously I'll just be wearing it with the chain and just as a clutch when I'm going out at night. So yeah, I'm really happy with my little purchases. So altogether, that was £280 and the trainers were £210, so not bad really for 2 Gucci items. So I saved myself a lot of money in the long run, thinking how much they were going to be full price. So yeah guys, that is everything. I've basically unboxed everything that I got with you, and I hope you liked the items as much as I do, especially the Gucci's, my little babies. I'm so excited to wear these in LA. And if you do follow me over on my Instagram at Allchloerose, you'll be able to see when I do post these items, wearing them, and if I can, I'll link them all down below for you, and if not, I'll find similars, so you can shop it all down below. But yeah guys, that is everything. I will be returning hopefully in like a week's time, and I'm just going to show you everything that I've been picking up for LA. I have gone a bit wild, so I thought I'd just put it into like a massive haul and show you then. So until next time guys, I will see you then, and remember to hit subscribe for the LA haul. And if you did like this video, please get a massive thumbs up and I'll love you forever. But yeah, see you then.